In this very quick tutorial, I'm showing you Weebly's workspaces that you can use to organize the forms that you've built using Weebly. So if you go to your dashboard, you'll see all of the forms that you've built using Weebly so far. And if you're like me, you have quite a lot of forms and you need to at some point organize them in different workspaces. So on the left here, you see a workspaces menu. I can create a new workspace. I can call it tutorial workspace, create this one, and then I can navigate to it and create a form within this workspace. So if I create a new form, let me just pick a template to make it easier, and I publish this one, or I could leave it as a draft even, then you will notice that it automatically ends up in this workspace right here. So of course I can also drag existing forms into that workspace. So if you want to reorganize and you already have a bunch of existing forms, you can just pick a card and then you can drag and drop it. And now this draft contact form here is in my tutorial workspace. You can of course still later on rename it if you made a typo during creation, just hitting the 3-dot menu here at the top, or you can delete your workspace. Important thing, this is of course noted here in the pop-up as well. If you delete a workspace, you delete the forms that are in that workspace. So take care when you do that. That's essentially it. So if you want to organize your Weebly forms, use the workspaces feature in the dashboard.